Hello, welcome to Foodie Zest. Today's recipe is crispy coconut pockets. It's a tea time snack. The ingredients required are 1 cup maida, half cup of desiccated coconut. You can even go for freshly grated coconut. Half cup sugar and a pinch of salt. A glass of plain water. This is to make the dough. We also need some oil to fry the pockets. Here I have taken sunflower oil. Now let's add the salt into the flour. And give it a nice mix. And now let's make the dough, adding water little by little. We should not add too much water in the beginning itself, because then while frying the pockets it will become too oily. The dough should be like that of the chapati dough. And now I have made it. Now you can see it's soft. Let's add a little bit of oil on top of it so that it doesn't dry up. Don't skip this step. Apply all over the dough. And let's cover and keep it aside for some time to rest. Meanwhile, let's mix the sugar and desiccated coconut. Now this forms the stuffing for the pockets. I have divided the dough into 5 equal sized balls. Let's roll them into chapati-like sheets. If the dough is sticky, you can add some dry flour and roll them. You need not worry about the shape. Now the sheet is ready. Let's add the stuffing. Add enough amount of the stuffing at the center of the sheet. Now let's make the pocket by sealing the edges. Apply little water on the edges and make a perfect sealing. The edges should be sealed properly, else there is a chance that the stuffing might come out while frying the pockets. So make sure it's well sealed. Give it a press. And now our pocket is ready. Let's make the remaining pockets. Now they are all ready. We have got 5 pockets out of 1 cup maida. Now I have kept the oil for heating. Once the oil is hot, let's add in the pockets. You should keep the flame in medium to high. Don't put it in high in the beginning itself. And the oil should be medium hot. Now you can see small bubbles coming up, and that's the perfect time to add the pockets. So now I'll add another one. Let's fry them until we get a golden crust on both the sides. So turn each side and fry. You can pour oil on top of the surfaces with the help of a ladle or spatula. This helps in making the crust crispy. Or else you can go for deep frying. So I'll take them out once they are done. Now you can see they have become golden brown in color and they have puffed up so well. Now let's take it out. Our crispy coconut pockets are ready to be served. You can see how crunchy and crispy the crust has become. Now I'll just cut it and show you. Now you can see the flakes, how perfectly they have cooked, and you can also hear the crunch. So this is a tasty and easy snack with minimum ingredients. So please try this at home and give a comment. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching Foodie Zest.